So this is how we can make the iPhone zoom out. So you might be in a situation like this where everything is zoomed in and you don't even see anything. You can kind of like scroll through or use the phone, but you don't really see much. And for this, you need to use the gesture, which is using 3 fingers, but double tapping with the 3 fingers, right? So you just double tap with 3 fingers at the same time, like this, and it's going to zoom out the screen. Keep in mind that this is also the gesture to re-enable the zoom, so it might happen every once in a while, perhaps accidentally, and you get to that state. But you can also just double tap with the 3 fingers, but don't lift them, but slide up and down instead to adjust the zoom. So that's how you can also play around with the selection of zoom and the intensity and how much you want to have it. But at the end of the day, you can always just double tap with the 3 fingers and you're going to come back to normal. If you, however, don't ever want to use the feature again, you can go to the settings, and in the accessibility section, we have the zoom feature, which if you disable like this, we can now triple tap as much as we want, but it's simply not working anymore. So that's how you can play around with it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this, and I'll see you later.